Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Jay Ninja here, and today I'm just going to show you guys a little tour of my computer setup right now. It's nothing super fancy. I don't have an extravagant desk setup right now. As you can see, look at my cable management. It looks like crap right now. So, it's fairly new. I will be doing a lot of upgrades in the future when I move to my new location. But this is just something just to get me up and started, basically. But I mean, moving forward, let me at least explain to you guys what I'm working with for my setup. So, as you can see right here, I have a Alienware. This is a 25-inch, 240 hertz TN panel monitor. The reason why I went with this guy is because I'm gonna be doing a lot of first-person shooters, a lot of like CS:GO, a lot of Overwatch as well too. So I just wanted that quick response time. In the future, I'm going to go for a triple monitor setup once I move to my new location and fix my desk as well too. That way it looks nice and neat at least, But yeah, and then moving forward. All right. So next up here, I got this Corsair keyboard. It's the K70 Rapid Fire SE edition. So SE meaning that it's a special edition. It comes in silver with the double shot keycaps, and instead of the black standard keyboard, something like that. But it's special edition. It's silver. They got the double shot white keycaps. It looks freaking amazing, and it comes in 5 different options. So you can get it in MX speed, you can get it in cherries, you can get it in silence, you can get it in blue and brown. You got, let me go down here. You got your dedicated media keys on this guy, and then of course, your standard profile, lighting, and Windows lock buttons on this guy. So this is a beast of a keyboard. I like it. It's insane. I originally had the old K70, so moving up to this guy is pretty awesome. It's pretty cool. All right. Right here, I have my Logitech G502 Proteus Spectrum. All these darn long names. I'm trying to really keep up with it, but yeah. So that's my gaming mouse of choice. Pretty cool. I like it. It's different as well too. They say is one of the best on the markets as well. Very popular. I just hope they come out with a wireless version sometime with this guy as well too. We'll see. Logitech. Alright, and don't quote me on this one, but I did it because of aesthetics. So I got the Corsair gaming mouse pad. It's a hard top mouse pad, and the main reason why I have it is because of the RGB effect. So pretty much just want to have it match up, something different. It was there, it was on sale, it was on a good sale as well too. So that's one of the main reasons why I picked it up. But as you can see, I do have the extended mouse pad as well. So, I mean, to each their own. It's something, alright? Okay, so here's the big guy right here. This is everything. I moved up from a computer that I last built in 2009, and it finally just just gave out. I had 6 gigabytes of RAM into it. I still have the first generation i7. One of the RAM sticks died. My graphics card upgraded twice on the unit. I originally had the GTX 285. Then I went to a GTX 560 Ti back in 2011. And then after that, the funds wasn't there basically. So I didn't upgrade my computer for a long time. And then recently, it was just giving out, spitting hot air. The boot time was extremely long. I still had a hard disk drive inside of it. So, it was just time for a change. And I did it. I freaking did it, man. Like, I went all out on this guy. It's very futuristic. I future-proofed it as well, too. So that way it lasts another, probably 6 or 7 years. I might, of course, change some parts and components over time into this thing, but let me just get to it. I got a freaking i7 8700K. I overclocked the processor for the very first time. So I took it all the way up to 5 gigs, and it runs really smooth as well too. Temperature rise, I said about like between 32 degrees Celsius on idle. On a load, like on a full load, when I run a Cinebench benchmark test, it can go up to about 78 to 80 degrees Celsius. So it's fairly cool in my apartment. So that temperature has really helped. It's now becoming, now we move into the fall weather now. So that also plays a huge part in keeping the system really cool. On top of that, I got 4 RAM sticks. I got freaking, what do they call these things? The G.Skill Trident Z RGB at 32 gigs. I got freaking 32 gigs of RAM, yo. That's crazy, yo. I went from 6, dropped down to 4, and I went all the way out to 32 gigabytes of RAM. The reason why I went this far is because of the fact that I'm going to be doing a lot of streaming, a lot of video content as well too. So I felt like having that extra gigs would also amount and support to it. Real reason that I also went with 4 RAM sticks is because I didn't want to leave no empty slots. I did originally have 2 of these guys at 16, but I was just sitting in my chair and looking at it and just saying that something is missing. So there it is. All right, freaking 32 gigs. Oh, and the speed at 3200. So yeah, I got a nice decent speed in the RAM as well. Now if we go to, let's try to zoom in here, get in a little closer. All right, so as you can see, I got the GTX 1080 Ti. I did catch this at a point where it was inflated, so I did pay the extra, the extra 100 basically for it. But it was needed. Like I stated not too long ago, my computer was just all over the place, wasn't playing my games correctly. I had a lot of stuttering going on as well too, and a lot of crashes. So it was worth the investment. Right. This one is, I have the Republic of Gamers Strix GTX 1080 Ti. I love it. I mean, the darn thing speaks for itself. I don't think I need to go in much details. I'm pretty sure you guys know about it as well too out there. So I got 2 NVMe's on my motherboard as well. So I got the 960 Pro at 512 gigabytes, and that's sitting right up there where you see the Republic of Gamer sign. The next one I have is a 970 Pro at 500 gigs. And oh yeah, and I got, let me see, almost forgot, these darn RGB fans, 140 millimeters, and I got 2 in the front because of this NZXT water cooling system. So pretty much I got like 5 fans up in here. 3 out of the 5 is pretty much RGB. Then I got LED strips in here that's not on, so if I turn it on, it's too bright. Then right there on the bottom, that's my Hue Plus. That's pretty much operating all my NZXT products for the lighting and fans. And then if you wasn't aware of it, this is the NZXT H700i case. And well, that pretty much wraps it up for my setup right now. So like I said, in the future I'm going to be upgrading slowly, piece by piece. When I move to my new location, I'm going to change the desk, clean up that cable management, make everything look nice and clean. But yeah, that's my setup, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.